this video starts because obviously I'm traveling again. This is actually the second time I'm filming this because people are distracting me because this time I am not starting this video in my room. I'm starting in the airport, okay? Yeah, I am already in the airport and by my gate. Actually, I'm on the side because I am in it because people are just questioning me and distracting me. I am. However, not everything can go all the time, right? Because it's not like medicine. I don't know how it's gonna be because I never went this long time without my medicine. I think it's gonna be fine. Maybe it's going to buy the insurance. I don't know. I will check it now. But yeah, I don't know how I packed that much. I was packing in the middle of the night and now I'm here and I slept 1 hour. I'm here. Yeah. So how people look at me, they're weird. I don't know how people do this in public. Maybe because I'm weird, I'm bringing my phone, but yeah.
Many hours later.
So hello from Bahamas. We just landed and now we are in our hotel. Just took a shower. We're gonna get ready now. Do our makeups and everything, and then we're gonna go downstairs to the bar, sit down, order some cocktails and talk because we need to catch up. We didn't see each other for quite a long time, like 1 month. So yeah, but that's it. Flight was amazing. I slept like 4 hours on a flight, and Pamela took some pictures of me. I look like I'm sleeping very politely, but I'm sleeping like literally like this, like I'm dead.
Hello!
We are ready.
And we are in Bahamas this time.
For the third time in this vlog mentioned we in Bahamas. But
Take
yeah.
a shot every time we say we are in Bahamas.
Yes, you two people watching this, me and you.
Our fans.
But yeah, we're going for drinks now. Pamela, how is the water? First impressions.
It's cold. It's dead.
There's literally no one here. We're trying to find like a bar, like
You have a colada and
Whatever.
get cold in the rain.
no rain. Don't say that. But it's very cold. Even the water is cold. You know, we have very jackets. But you know, that's not the most important thing because we wanted to spend time together. We're in another country, another continent, so
She needs to drop some tea. Spill some tea.
yeah. Do you think I'm gonna get 10 now?
Yeah, of course. Shakira.
So we are in this bar and there's some game going on. And we're like, what is this game? It's like chill and watch it. And you know what? It's actually a Super Bowl. And I'm so excited to see Bunny's concert.
And American US Navy.
And then there's some man running after the ball in the Bad Bunny's concert, but I'm so happy to see him, you know? Yeah. So you decided to drink cocktail?
That's what we do. We sit at the bars and drink cocktails.
Yeah. Like this.
I'm not beating the lesbian allegations.
So we are back in the hotel in our Hello Kitty pajamas. It's because you know the time difference. Which bag?
The black bag that I had with my camera. Please tell me that I brought this.
So yeah, we found the bag, it's fine. But yeah, we're back in the hotel. I'm gonna do my makeup. And guess what? What is on TV?
Shrek.
Shrek. So
And
yeah,
guess who is going to bed to sleep like a sweet baby Jesus?
her. I don't feel sleepy yet. Like,
Well, you slept in business class, bitch. I worked hard on this flight.
so yeah. But I'm gonna remove makeup. So I guess my fans see it tomorrow.
8 hours later.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Wait. Yeah, good morning.
Good morning.
They're matching pajamas, so you can't tell which one is which, right?
Pajamas.
Who's Pamela? Who's Agnes? You don't know.
Who is Bahama?
Yeah, we're getting ready now because we're gonna go get matcha. Or first matcha in Bahamas.
First
I don't have any makeup. Pamela has makeup.
I still look like
It's
shit.
like makeup. No makeup. So, Pamela, my friend, she needed to go to work, and I'm here alone at the moment. And I just found out at the back of the hotel there is like a nice pool and a white sand beach and a tiki bar. So this is where I'm going. I just needed to change my shoes because I was with my sneakers, and I was like, no, this is not the vibe. But yeah, I'm gonna go there. So this is second night, it's evening, and my friend had to work for a while today, but she's coming back now. And yeah, I went for a walk and went for food, went for drink. Then I came back from a hotel. I went to like a pool by the hotel. And today I just came back to hotel. It was a bit cold, but now I'm waiting for her to come back. I don't know what we're gonna do, but I just want my friend to come faster back. But yeah, this is actually what we got today in the market. It's so nice. It's such an island vibes, you know? But yeah, I want my friend to come faster back. Wait, like this or like this?
Like this, yeah. Yeah.
Come on, I have a break.
Fine, you won't, I promise. Yeah, and then walk.
Like this?
Yeah.
What does it do to you?
Oh, yes.
I know.
And then go back.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Are you happy to be in Bahamas?
So today we are in Paradise Island. It's actually so much better here. It's like completely different vibe. It's so nice. There is this world famous Atlantis resort, It's super nice. It's super Korean. Like there's like villas and everything. And yeah, we went for some matcha, some pita, and now we're going to Cabbage Beach. I mean, we're trying to find where it is. We've been walking around, and yeah, today is very, very warm outside. But yeah, let's see what we're gonna do. At the moment, we just get ready because we're gonna go take some more pictures before we're leaving for the airport. Like this, like. So we just. Okay, I don't know what was that. That's one of the cruise ships. What is that? But yeah. But yeah, I just wanted to say that our trip is coming to be over. We're going back to hotel now. We took bombastic sunset pictures and we're going now back to hotel to pack, and then we're gonna go to the airport. Yes. And that's gonna be it.
When she's gonna be famous.
Yeah, I mean, I will finish this vlog with another video, but it's just so sad. This trip was so nice. Like, I wish we could stay extra days.
I wish
and go
the
to
cat went sick.
Yes, and we could go to like Cabbage Beach and spend all day tanning and have drinks and just tan, you know, and I don't know, yeah. But yeah.
Here's my number. So call me maybe.
I'm gonna hold this here now.
And she changed me. But here's my number. So call me maybe.